In this video, I'm going to show you how to start a project in 11 Labs. All you're going to do is come here and click on Studio. Okay, here's where you can start your project. So let's wait for this to go ahead and load up. And now you can come over here and click on Start from Scratch. Choose the model you want. I suggest going for the latest one, which is this one right here. The 11 Multilingual V2 is the best quality model, but if you are low on credits, you could try using these other ones, but prefer if you use this one. Can give you the most emotionally rich voiceovers. Okay, audiobooks, can use it for post-production. Now quality, we will leave it at a standard. Okay, and then let's go ahead and create our project. As you can see right here, it says the project alpha, and it has a code name as well. Now let's go ahead and wait for this. Now we can create chapters. If you want, you can title your project, let's say Smart Book, any name. Okay, now here, chapter 1, you can go ahead and put in the text, right? For example, chapter 1 will be The Awakening. So put this right here, this text. And of course, you need to go ahead and choose your voice. You can choose, I'll do Wise Man. That's nice. It's a nice voice. So this is chapter 1. If you want, you can go ahead and rename this to chapter 1, The Awakening, right? Go ahead and name it like that. And if you want, you can go ahead and create more chapters as well. Just click on the plus icon. You would go ahead and get chapter 2. You can name this as well, The Escape, and add the text for that the same way. Okay, let me show you. I'll do this. And of course, you want to add things like dashes, right? This gives pauses. It's a really cool feature they have. Sounds more realistic. And then when you're happy, you can go ahead and convert this. Okay, let's play this and listen to it, how it will sound. Let's wait for it to generate.
Iva's pulse quickened. She had to move. The walls seemed to close in, the voice growing louder. She dashed.
So it's really that easy and simple, guys. So I hope this video helped you.